If you are promoting affiliate product with Google Ads, and if you are a beginner, this is a video for you. In this video, you will learn how to do keyword research for affiliate marketing or to find the right keyword for your Google search ad to promote your affiliate offers. And if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion to convert your affiliate offers. And do check the description for my #1 recommendation of make money online from home with affiliate marketing. With that said, let's begin. So here we are in Google Ads guys. So before we pick any affiliate offer and find the right keyword for that offer guys, let's understand Keyword Planner. This is one of the best way to find the right keyword for your ad guys. For this, you have to select in tools and setting here, and here you can go Keyword Planner. If you click here guys, you're gonna arrive here in this dashboard, and this is one of the best way guys. So let me show you how simple it is to use. And here you can see so many of my keyword groups which I use to target the ads. Here you have a two option guys, discover new keywords. If you click this one, two more option guys, start with keywords and start with website. So let me click here, start with website. If you select this one guys, it is asking your domain name, landing page or the website guys. For this demo purpose guys, I created this landing page. I'm going to use this here. And if you put the domain name here guys, and here you can see it's asking use the entire site. Because this is a landing page, I'm not going to select this one. I'm going to use only this page guys. And make sure guys you change the country where you want to target. Right now it's showing India. I don't want to target India. I just want to target United States. So I will go and I will target the United States. Save. So right now guys, if you select this get result, Google ad will go to this landing page guys, and it is going to find all the relevant keywords which we can use later in this ad to target or to bring the traffic on this landing page. Okay, and it is also going to show me the CPC in the United States. So that's why this is really important to select the right country where you're targeting this landing page. Okay, so I will click here get results, and here you can see this guys, location United States, English, and right now here you can see it's also going to show you the date guys, last 12 month. Okay, so you can change it for 1 month and all those things you can select, right? Last month, 12 month, 24 month, all those things you can select even from the day. Okay, to find that's up to you. So right now in the last or 12 month, here you can see these are the keywords which Google has given me. So now Google is telling me, right, if you use this keyword, okay, it's very easy to bring the traffic here in this landing page. Okay, and it's also giving me the bidding for this particular keyword. If I'm going to use this keyword, I have to set my ad budget or the cost per acquisition or action or cost per click according to this. So right now it's showing in Indian rupees guys, but it is this keyword. If I'm going to use this keyword for my ad to show, I have to pay somewhere between guys $1. It is showing in Indian rupees guys. I'm just converting it $1 to $2 guys to get the views in this one keyword. So now take this point here guys. The #1 thing is guys, if your landing page and the keyword which you're using is different guys, your ad will not start. And this is one of the biggest reason guys, you'll get approval but your ad will not going to start. So make sure guys, whenever you try to target one particular keyword set guys, your landing page or the website should have that kind of a keyword. Okay, if it is not there guys, it is going to show you low quality ad. Okay, or it is going to show you ad policy violations of relevancy that I'm going to show you in a second. So guys, this is one of the biggest reason you're not getting the views even after your ad is got approval. And the second reason, if you use this keyword guys, and if your CPC or the bidding is not according to this guys, chances guys your ad is not going to appear in this particular keyword. For example guys, bidding says here this is an average or the low range which shows guys $1, near to $1 and to $2 guys. Let's say if you are setting up your ad less than $1 guys, this keyword, Google ad is not going to optimize this keyword to show you ad. This is the second biggest reason guys. After approval guys, it is not going to run because the low CPC or the bidding, because other marketers are bidding for this keyword for $2 guys, $2 to $3 almost. Now the another option here is guys, start with keywords. Manifestation Okay, if I am promoting the offer related to manifestation, I can use 10 keywords over here, guys. So I just putting here like manifestation United States. Okay, and here also you can put the your landing page. It will filter according to this keyword what is there in your landing page, and understanding with these two things, guys, it will show you the keywords. Okay, but right now I'm not using any landing page here, guys. Get results. Now here you can see this, guys. These are the keyword which is right recommending to me, okay, which I can use to target this landing page. And the rule remains the same, guys. You can use this keyword to your ad to promote this landing page. But if in case, guys, if these keywords are not there in your landing page, again your ad will not going to start, or maybe not going to show you right in this particular keyword. The relevancy is the key, guys, in any ad, Facebook ad, Google ad, right? You can do anything with the native ads, guys, but in the Google ads, because Google ad is known as, guys, intent based ad. That means people are coming here to find the intentionally typing the keywords, how to manifest abundance, okay, or how to lose weight. So this is based on keywords. So if you're not targeting the keywords properly, your ad will not going to show up, okay, whatever the budget is. Another reason remain the same, guys. If you use this keyword in your ad, if you're not going to set up your CPC like this, guys, $1 to $3 here, look at this, it is not going to get the full optimization for that keyword, because you set up something between like $1 to $3 here, right, to get this. So if you want to get the view, you can set up like $3 or $4. Okay, that's up to you. This is the second reason. Hope you got this point, guys. With this, guys, let's go back. And here you have another option, guys, get search volume and forecast. So here you can put something like at least 10 keywords here. Again, I can put to get the CPC as well as the competition and everything here. For example, manifestation, get started. So here you can see this, guys, manifestation, and the maximum cost per click is, guys, almost $1, near to the $1. And guys, the average cost per click is 50 cents. So now, guys, if you want to get the views on this particular keywords, you have to set up your ad that I'm going to show you in a second close to this cost per click, okay, or the budget of your ad. And here you can see this, your plan is going to get 6 clicks for close to $4 you have to pay. The maximum is $1, okay, that's what you have to pay for this. That's what it is given, right, $1 here, okay, to get. And also if you click here, guys, here you can change your plan by right increasing it. If you change it, guys, if you want 31 click on this particular keyword, guys, $40 over here, guys, and the maximum CPC $3. So like this, guys, you can understand the cost per click as well as the average or the maximum cost per click, and then you can pick the keywords, guys. Hope you got the point here, guys. So now let's choose a offer and find the right keyword for that. So here we are in the ClickBank marketplace, guys, to select the offer. And here you can see manifestation magic. I sold close to $6,000 to $7,000 with this one product here, guys. Here you can see this. So let's open the affiliate page. And if you open this affiliate page there, guys, this is their affiliate page here. And if you click here, Facebook ad and kit, it will take you right all the creatives landing page they are offering to run Facebook ad as well as Google ad also. If you click here, guys, it will take you to all the keywords they are offering. So here is one thing, guys, they have offering a lot of different keywords. That doesn't mean, guys, you can use any keyword from here. Each keyword is giving you each angle, guys, or targeting for different kinds of audience, like law of attraction. If you want to target law of attraction audience, you can use this keyword, guys. And if you can use this keywords like attract wealth, you can use this keyword, guys. And to manifest, guys, you can use that keyword. Manifest, make more money, you can use this kinds of keyword. So here is the biggest takeaway, right, which I'm giving you, guys. That is, whenever you run any ad, Google ad or Facebook ad, guys, keep it two things in mind, guys. Keep it relevant and one variable at a time, guys. That means, guys, give your ad one angle always. Okay, you can use this few keywords from here, you can use this keyword from here, guys. But now when you create a landing page, especially with Google search ad, your landing page should speak about like law of attraction, how to make law of attraction work, like that kind of a keyword, guys. If it is not there, guys, your Google search ad is not going to run, as I already showed you. Okay, so one angle, guys, and keep it relevant. That is the key of running any intent based ad like Google ad. So for right now guys, I'm going to take all this keyword into a pad. Here you can see this guys, and now because this offer is already given me the keyword guys, so I can copy all of this keyword guys, and I can copy this keyword and I can put this keyword in one ad group guys, and I can name this ad group. This is like targeting for law of attraction, okay, and I can create another ad group targeting in some other keyword. Also, I'm going to recommend you to use the phrase match as well as exact match instead of going with the broad match guys. Phrase match, just putting the comma here, or you can put the bracket right for the exact match that I already showed you in my last video. I showed you in the last video the how to set up the campaign setting and all, okay. So here I'm just showing you the keyword. So you can watch my last video. The link is popping up at the window right now. You can watch that later. Now guys, if you want to know the cost per click for each of these keyword guys, just copy this keyword and go to the keyword planner guys and get the search volume and forecast by putting the keyword over here, because this will help you to get some idea about your keyword so that you can set up the budget and bidding, right? So for this guys, here you can see it is showing you 0 clicks. For this guys, make sure you're selecting all time as well as the location right, and then if you can click over here, you can increase your cost impression, whatever the impression cost, whatever it is you want to increase, you can increase here. So by this guys, I can increase here by clicking here, okay, and now it is showing 10 clicks I'm going to get guys, and the maximum click cost per click I have to pay is guys $3. Okay, so now I have an idea what kinds of keywords I'm using Google Ads, right? And I will keep the relevancy according to the keyword, as well as also I can set up the budget. When it comes to setting up the budget guys, always start with the lower budget like $10 or $20. So here I'm taking 1,000 rupees here, and then guys, if you're going to set up bidding as a conversion, then the Google ad is going to use your $10 on a daily basis to give you the best conversion, because you have the bidding idea right now guys. What is your keyword is, what is this maximum CPC or the average CPC, so for your keywords. So now you can set up your own bidding according to that guys, right? If you are into tight budget, this is the best way to go. Okay, start with the lower budget, whatever it is, right, for bidding strategy which you are using, like conversion or a click. In the click also you can set up your own cost per click, because right now you have a very good idea for each of these keywords. So always I will recommend you guys, keep it relevant, do your keyword research and start with the lower budget. That's it guys. This will definitely going to help you to get some impressions and clicks on each of these keywords. And then guys, as your ad will move on, you can increase your budget as well as you can increase your bidding. So at least you have to allow your ad to run for 1 day to see these guys, what is happening, how much impressions and clicks your keywords are getting. According to that guys, you can increase your budget as well as your bidding also. Okay, hope you're going to like this strategy guys. This is what I use. There are many ways to do this guys. This is one strategy, right? Hope this is going to help you to get some results. Okay, so let me know in the comment guys, how do you like this strategy? And if you really like this video, what I shared you guys, give the thumbs up to this video and let me know in the comment what are the strategy you use, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you. And watch this video guys, which will help you to know how to set up Google Ads to scale from $0 to $1,000.